Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to make some chicken chili dry. Before we proceed to the recipe, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my videos so that I get more support from you guys to post regular contents. So now let's go to the video. So for this recipe you need some corn flour, some egg, salt and pepper. So basically we are going to do a simple marination so that we can fry the chicken. You need to fry this chicken so that the whole process of the cooking just gets really fast, and once you fry the chicken you can keep this for chow mein noodles, or if you want to use it for some Manchurian chicken or even for chicken chili dry, you can use the same chicken because the process is the same for all three recipes. So I'm just going to add some pepper right now, and I'm going to give all the ingredients a good mix, and I'm going to marinate it for 30 to 1 hour. You don't need it to marinate for a very long time. It's just that you get enough flavors and you just fry it all up. Now put your pan for medium high. If you're using a chopstick or any wood spatulas, just dip your spoon or fork into that oil, and if it slightly starts to bubble, that means your oil is hot enough. Add in your chicken slowly, and remember to put it piece by pieces so that the chicken doesn't stick, because the corn flour and egg will actually let the chicken stick together. So do it as separately as possible so that you get nice golden separate pieces. Now that my chicken are golden, I'm just going to remove them, and once removing all of them, I'm going to put in my second batch of chicken and I'm going to fry them all as well. Now to a pan, I'm going to add in some green capsicum, and I'm going to add some sliced chilies so that you get a minimum amount of spice, and I'm going to saute it quite well so that they're all properly cooked. Now I'm gonna add some ginger garlic paste. It's approximately 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Just mix it all well with the capsicum and green chilies. Now I'm gonna add in the cooked chicken and gonna mix it all well with the chilies and the ginger garlic paste. So for the sauce, I'm adding in a mixture of chili sauce, tomato sauce and hot sauce. So basically I just mixed it all up, and I'm going to add it to the chicken and give it all a good mix. Just mix it well till it's combined with the chicken and the chilies. Now I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and to that I'm going to add in about 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder as well. And then I'm going to add in half tablespoon of vinegar, and I'm going to mix it all up. Add in half teaspoon of salt and also some freshly cracked pepper. Since you already add soya sauce, try to minimize the amount of salt because it might get a little salty. So for this final garnish, I'm going to add in some spring onions, and I'm just going to mix it all up, and that's done. This is a really simple dish. It takes about half an hour to make the entire dish. So now you can just plate it all up. You can serve it over some fried rice or with some chow mein noodles, and you'll be great to go. I hope you liked the recipe today. I'll be posting a chow mein recipe real soon, so do check that out as well. And if you have any queries, do let me know. I hope you guys have a good day and enjoy.